Is this looking taste good to you? The key ingredient is lotus root. It tastes lotus root sweet and crunchy. It needs to be thinly sliced for stir fry. Accompanying vegetables are king oyster mushroom and sugar pea. Other ingredients are garlic, shrimp, green onion, marinated pork, and XO sauce. I start with fry the garlic with cooking oil and then add in the Cantonese style marinated pork. Stir fry the pork with the garlic and then add in the lotus root. The lotus root needs to be cooked a little longer compared to other vegetables. Cover it to cook for a minute or two. Then stir fry the lotus root with the pork and the garlic. Then add a little water to prepare for cooking for longer and not drying up. Add in the king oyster mushroom. Add in the sugar pea. Add in the shrimp. And then cover to cook it for a few minutes. Now you can see the shrimp on top is cooked. Prepare some sauce with cornstarch, sugar, and soy sauce. Add some water and mix it all together. Add a tablespoon of XO sauce. Mix them all together. Pour this sauce into the fry pan on the vegetables. Stir fry the sauce into the vegetables and then add the green onion. Cover it to cook for a minute. Now the dish is ready to serve. This is tasty and crunchy stir-fried lotus root.